So I'm just going to show here how the 11.5 Kangen water acts as an oil emulsifier, which is great for cleaning and removing oil-based pesticides or fruit and veggies. So in the first glass we're just going to do normal tap water, which is pH 7, and in the second glass we'll do our Kangen 11.5. So that comes out the top hose when you press 2.5 out the bottom hose. It's also best if we run the water pretty slowly. That makes the 11.5 work even stronger for this one. So we'll just pop those down there, and then we've got some organic olive oil. Just going to put a few drops in the tap water and a few drops in the 11.5. And then straight away we can see how the 11.5 is mixing and the tap water is already separating the oil and water, as oil and water does. So this is how it cleans and gets rid of all those oil-based pesticides off our fruit and veggies. We can see the tap water has already gone into two separate blobs, and the 11.5 it stayed mixed in.